what's up guys, this is Shihab and good morning everyone. Also Eid Mubarak to all of you. Today is Eid and I'm thinking about going out, have some fun and shoot a video for you. Today I'm going to test this vehicle. This car is a big CC engine car, so I'm going to test this thing. And here is our driver bhaiya. His name is Tuhin, so we will have some fun. So this is Mitsubishi Sportero L200. It's a 4100cc diesel engine. So this car is very powerful car. So I'm going to test this car, how fast it is, or the acceleration, how fast the acceleration is. And it's a fully manual drive. So I'm driving a manual car. So manual car is always fun. So let's test this thing, how this thing feels to drive. So this car is very fun to drive. As you saw, the acceleration is very good, and manual driving car is always very fun to drive. Very powerful, it's just flies. Right now I'm in third gear and it's just flying like a beast, and it's really fun to drive. 4100cc vehicle, very fast, very torquey, very powerful. Eid Mubarak. Kothi Nator Noksha aso ei gari ne ঘুরে আছে ছেলে আর আমি ছেলে আর আমি গাড়ি নিয়ে ঘুরে আছি fun to drive actually, manual drive, and গাড়ি নিয়ে চলে আসছো, it's diesel engine plus আচ্ছা 4100cc, so that's there's a lot of power. আচ্ছা হ্যাঁ বলেন। আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, দেখছি একটু ভাই একটু ঘষছে তো, একটু কাজ করছে, কাজটা সেই জন্য জানাচ্ছি। হ্যাঁ manual driving car is always fun to drive. Plus the power delivery of this car is very powerful. right now I am going to meet my cousins. Very powerful. So right now I'm in a countryside, so as you can see, I always love countryside because there is some kind of peace in countryside. It's very calm, not like brick blocked cities where everyone is in a rush to do their own thing. But here people are very calm, very kind. They're very they live a very peaceful life, I can say. Plus the environment is very peaceful as well. You can see the greeneries around me, and the greeneries always says that peaceful life is always better than life in a rush. So we met our cousins, Russell bhai.
Hi.
Mubarak. Fahim. Ashik.
Hi.
We thought about doing some little bit of touring, but as you can see the weather is extremely hot, so we don't have the mood to do the touring. So right now we are thinking about going home and playing some PUBG actions. What do you say?
Yeah.
Alright, going home, so let's go. It's very hot outside. This land is ours, so as you can see the mango tree, there are some mangoes in the tree. Mango trees, these are ours, and as you can see there is mango in the tree. And as it's a diesel engine car, we are filling the diesel here. People at the gas tank are listening music. They are, I guess, enjoying the Eid, but it don't excites me that much. Gas filling is done. Let's go home.
লাইন বাস আসবো না মোটরসাইকেল নিয়ে আসবো? মোটরসাইকেল নিয়ে আসবো? মোটরসাইকেল নিয়ে আসবে না? পাশে নিয়ে আসবে না কে?
I'm home. Now I will take the lunch and then I will play some PUBG with my friends. So that's it for today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button down below, and obviously share this video with your friends. Sharing is caring. Anyway, subscribe if you haven't yet, and stay tuned, stay awesome. I'll see you guys in the next one.